Hey guys, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I want to start a new series where we tour different hardware stores and I just go there, get a performer invoice of various things that you will need to build a home in Jamaica. Like the most basic starter things, cement, blocks, steel, and so forth. And then what I'm going to do, go to different hardware store, get those performer invoices, and then compare. So today we'll be going to Rapid True Value and we'll give them the master list of items that we need, and then I'll go through and break down the prices for you guys and so on. So I know there are a lot of persons who watch this channel who are building in Jamaica, considering buying or building, so this is going to be a great video for you to get an idea of the real cost of some items. So let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so we are back home now. I have the proforma invoice from Rapid True Value and we're going to break down the cost of everything. But there are just a few things I think you guys should know first before we get into this video. If you are used to building in the US and you're coming to Jamaica to build, you must understand that our building materials and our old foundation and everything for our houses here in Jamaica is different from that of the US. So in Jamaica, we primarily use like concrete, blocks, steel, and those type of materials to build our homes, versus in the US where you use like drywall and lumber as the foundation of your homes. So that is something very important to note. Now the prices that I'm going to give you, they are not going to be inclusive of tax, but at the end I will give you the cost for the entire taxation and then I'll give you the total. So I'll give you the subtotal, the tax, and the total, and then the individual unit cost, and then the cost for like the correct amount of items that I got, and so on. I'll have everything like on here on the screen while I'm speaking. Alright, so just note that prices I'm giving you, they are not taxed as yet, but at the end I will give you the cost for tax. And guys, stay tuned because the cost for taxes really like jumped out at me in this video. I could not believe. All right, and then also you must note that based on your home, the land that you have been given, the terrain of the land, some persons may require more, obviously, you know, materials. Some persons may need to put up column structure, some persons may need to do digging, lay different types of foundation first, concrete, and all these things before. So guys, this is just a little estimate of things you may need to start, all right, to start building your home. So your contractor of course will tell you the items that you will need, but at least you would know the unit cost for these things so that you can start your planning. All right. Alright, so the items that I requested prices for were 400 6-inch blocks, 1 load of sand, 1 load of grit, some persons call it cut stone, some persons use wash stone, 100 bags of cement, 15 pounds binding wire, you know that's what like ties the steel together, 1 ton of steel, 5 pounds of 1.5-inch head nails, 2 pounds of 2-inch concrete nails, 6 sheets of ply, 15 pieces of 1x316, as we call in Jamaica a lot, 8 sheets of zinc, and then I added to the list 6 concrete buckets. You know that, so you're going to use that mixing the concrete, all of that, 2 shovels, 1 wheelbarrow. The cost for like Labor is not included in this because that's going to be varied, and the cost for delivery is not also going to be included because that's going to vary. All right, so you have an idea. Base things. All right, so let's jump right in. And now guys, you should also know that prices are subject to change without notice. Quantities are subject to availability, all these things when you go to the hardware store. So price I give you today, next week, next month may not be the same price. Please note that. All right, so 6-inch concrete blocks. For one block it would be $135.80. 400 blocks, $54,321. 1 yard of wash sand, and that's like a load, as we call it in Jamaica, 1 yard load, so on. Wash sand, it is $6,602.59. 1 yard a wash stone, no, because some, you know, you have to integrate the stone with it. So the stone, the washed stone is $4,928.58. Now 1 bag of cement is $1,090.45. 100 bags of cement is $109,045. Now I used to work in a hardware store when I was in like 6th form, and I remember when I just started working there, a bag of cement was less than $1,000. Like, I think it was probably $890 or so, and that was before. And this is before taxes. That was with taxes. So I know lots of persons like to say, when you see the prices of like new homes being constructed in Jamaica, you see the prices. No, I could have built a 6-bedroom mansion with that. When my mother did build, like, you have to realize that this is not the time when your mother was building her house. This is Jamaica right now. This is where the dollar is. This is the cost of things. Of course, you know, the newer homes, the price is, you know, fully padded, but still, like, you can't compare building back then to building now. Every single thing has gone up. All right, you have to understand that in Jamaica, every single thing has gone up, even if it's sourced from Jamaica, because, you know, our stone and our sand and all that's coming from our rivers and so on. It still has gone up significantly. So just want to understand that very carefully. Like, please understand that. Don't be in the comments cursing. The cost for things have gone up drastically in Jamaica, and it's only going to go up even more. So hope you find this video helpful. And for the persons in the US, and you guys know I got the USD conversion, this is the cost for things here in Jamaica. All right, the 15 pounds of binding wire, this is sold by the roll, but they will give you by the pound. Just know that them convert it. All right, so all right, 1 pound would be for 354, but the 15 pounds cost $2,661.29. All right, so the ton of the corrugated steel costs $180,965. All right, so for 5 pounds of 1.5 wire nail, or head nail as some persons call it, is $1,040.91. Then for the concrete nails, and this is 2 inches, 2 pounds 2-inch concrete nails, $647. This was 6 sheets of form ply, $39,000 flat, $6,500 for 1 sheet. Then 15 lengths of the 1x3 16 would be total $21,000. 1 length would be $1,400. And then zinc, I included the zinc because, you know, persons may need to construct a shed and so on to hold like the items that some of the items that we are going to list today. So 8 sheets of 10-foot zinc, total $33,248.48. one sheet would have been for $4,156, and this is for a 10-foot zinc. You know, zinc come in different sizes, so on, so that will vary. Now I added some concrete buckets because you know we're going to need that to mix up the mortar and something there. So 6 concrete buckets, total $3,617.65. One bucket would have cost you $602.94. Then I included 2 shovels. This is the brand Eagle, and it was 2 shovels, $3,058.62. And then for one would have been $1,500.29. No, $1,529.31. And then I also included a wheelbarrow that you know the workmen may need. One wheelbarrow, $11,925.09. But as you know, the price for that may vary based on brand, quality, all those things of the wheelbarrow. Now for the subtotal, the tax, and the grand total. The subtotal before taxes was $472,062.11. The tax, which you know is calculated at 15%, is $70,809.31, giving you a grand total of $542,871.42. So that's the cost for these items that I went and inquired about. So I hope this video was helpful for everyone. I hope you get an idea of the cost of building things, materials, and so on in Jamaica. All the best with building your homes in Jamaica. I hope this will help you to decide if you rather go on the building avenue or go down the buying avenue, or if you want to like buy an older home and renovate it. You know, this is the cost for some of these things. So guys, don't forget to tell me in the comments down below what you think about these prices. Do you enjoy this series? Do you want to see me go to more hardware stores, and which hardware stores you want me to go to? Because if you know about some cheap hardware stores, you know, tell me in the comments down below. I'm mainly doing Kingston for right now, but if I go to Ochi and so on, I will like do the hardware stores there if you want me to. So tell me in the comments down below where you want me to go next, and if you enjoyed this series. Alright, so thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.